Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2017 Jeep Cherokee Latitude 4-wheel drive, stock number E2473P. 33,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Billet Silver Metallic in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, along with 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. Cherokee seats 5, leather interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear. And very clean, as you can see. This Latitude has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position. With driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, heated seats as well as heated steering wheel, automatic temperature control, navigation to get you where you need to go, and Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. There's of course where the backup camera displays. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. And select terrain 4-wheel drive system, giving you the greatest capability no matter what the surface. 9-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. Additional under seat storage. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Cherokee has a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder, 184 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 21 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 28 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting our investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.